and that would sort them out. If you don't believe me, try it out for yourself. For all trim, bumpers and tyres. Well, today I'm just going to do a more thorough test, and I'm going to wash the car. So if you haven't seen that video, I will leave a link up here somewhere. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. And today we're back on the Mark IV Golf, and in the previous video we sealed the inner door skins. Commenters did say that I needed to seal that inner skin, and I didn't. So as a result, it was actually leaking inside the car. I've removed these. Well, I haven't removed them completely because obviously being a 3-door, it's a bit more complex to remove the actual kick panels. So all I've done is I've released it, moved it away a little bit, and underneath here it is absolutely soaking. I mean, it is proper. The carpet on it doesn't actually feel wet here, but it is absolutely drenched in this corner here, absolutely soaked. So rather than actually taking the seat out and all the carpet and drying it all out, I've gone ahead and tried to clean out as well as possible in all of here. So that's all dry, but I can still test to see how, well, to see if any more water's getting in after securing that. So, oh yeah, I've got a bit of foam there. Good old slam, that'll do the job. Yeah, so I just had a bit of foam there to stop it from bashing against the wall. Right, let's get you all set up. I'm going to wash the car, give it a thorough wash, because obviously it's so sunny, it's not due to rain, and it's the only way, rather than just wasting water and just spraying loads of water over it, we'll actually give it a wash. I don't know how well it's going to pick up, but it's really dusty and grimy. So we'll give it a quick wash.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew.
So I'll give it a good wash. Sprayed plenty of water all around the seals, around the trim, and the only place the water seems to be getting in, well, I say getting in, but it seems to be that it runs down around the rubber, down this little bit here on that metal edge. And then from there it just sort of like runs on the inside of the door and then just drips down. Bone dry in there. Same on the driver's side, everything is bone dry in there, which is a result. So I'm going to put all that trim back together now, and then yeah, just leave it to dry out. That little damp collector thing, that will help dry it out, plus the sun beating down on it. The door's open, that'll dry out soon. So I just found this on the shelf in the garage, some Black Shine Restorer for all trim, bumpers and tyres. So I've just waxed them on. Well, I waxed it on probably about 20 minutes ago, and it seems to be making a bit of a difference. Time will tell, but I mean on camera, yes, you can see there is a massive difference. But yeah, I'm going to let that dry completely, see how well that is. I'll probably do the rest of the bottom bumper anyway, because obviously it's going to look weird. And then I've got the front trim to do. But all of this is now being cleaned in here. Looking good. Got the seat in the sun. Just reshaping it because it's got a few marks and that in there which need to be sorted out, and of course drying out the driver's footwell. Yeah, I can't be asked to take any of the seats out, but if I took the seats out I could put the seats in front of the sun for ages and that would sort them out. If you don't believe me, try it out for yourself. It works. Yeah, look, you can see there the difference, can't you, with the grey and then the black. Definitely looks better. And it has been on there for quite a while, so I presume it is dry. Awesome. Car's come up really well. Looks really good. Yeah, that one's well grey in comparison. And because I've got a replacement, that one's a little bit blacker. So I'm going to have to do it all. Go around, do it all. Yeah, because that looks well grey. I mean, yeah, that's grey. Oh, that's where it's drying out. It's drying out quite pale again. Maybe it just needs a few coats. Right, well I'm going to crack on with it. Leave that in the sun. And then... Oh, where are you? I'm here. Ooh. Yeah, and then I'm out in the garden because I've got another video to do on Nigel's Pond. So I'll see you all very soon. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, stay safe, and God bless.